Welcome back to the IS Companion. Today's lecture is on programmed learning, a revolutionary technique developed by Sidney L. Pressey and later popularized by B.F. Skinner. This method applies principles of operant conditioning to manage and enhance human learning under controlled conditions. We'll explore the key features, advantages, types of programmed learning, recent trends, and notable experiments and studies that have shaped this educational approach. Understanding programmed learning. Programmed learning is an educational technique that involves presenting information to learners in a carefully structured and sequential manner. The material is broken down into small steps, known as frames, and learners progress through these steps at their own pace, receiving immediate feedback and reinforcement. Foundations. Sidney L. Pressey developed early forms of teaching machines and self-administered learning systems. His work laid the groundwork for modern programmed learning. B.F. Skinner applied operant conditioning principles to programmed learning, emphasizing immediate reinforcement and self-paced progression. Key features of programmed learning. 1. Small steps. Frames information is presented in small, manageable chunks. Each frame contains a small piece of information or a question that the learner must respond to before moving on to the next frame. Experiment. Skinner's work with pigeons demonstrated the effectiveness of breaking tasks into small steps and reinforcing correct responses immediately, which later influenced his educational theories. 2. Active learning. Learners are actively involved in the learning process, continually responding to questions or prompts, which keeps them engaged and attentive. 3. Immediate feedback. Learners receive immediate feedback on their responses, which reinforces correct answers and guides them in correcting mistakes. Study. A study by Anderson, Reda, and Simon, 1996, showed that immediate feedback significantly improves learning outcomes and retention. 4. Self-pacing. Learners progress through the material at their own pace, allowing them to take as much or as little time as they need to understand each frame. 5. Task analysis. The learning material is thoroughly analyzed and broken down into its component parts to ensure that each step builds on the previous one, facilitating a smooth learning progression. 6. Student testing. Regular testing ensures that learners are mastering the material before moving on. This continuous assessment helps in identifying areas where additional practice or instruction is needed. Advantages of programmed learning. 1. Individualized learning. Each learner can progress at their own pace, ensuring that they fully understand the material before moving forward. Study. Kulik, and Bangor-Drowns, 1985, found that students using programmed learning achieved higher scores and had better attitudes toward learning. To immediate reinforcement, prompt feedback helps to reinforce learning and correct errors immediately, which enhances retention and understanding. 3. Increased motivation. The active participation and continuous feedback keep learners motivated and engaged throughout the learning process. 4. Efficient learning. The structured and sequential presentation of material ensures that learners build on their knowledge systematically, leading to more efficient learning. Types of programmed learning. 1. Linear programming. In linear programming, all learners follow the same path through the material. Each frame leads to the next in a fixed sequence, ensuring a uniform learning experience. Example. Skinner's teaching machines presented material in a linear sequence, requiring students to master each step before progressing. 2. Branched programming. Branched programming allows for different paths based on the learner's responses. If a learner makes an error, they are directed to remedial frames before continuing, providing a more customized learning experience. Example. Crowder's 1960 programmed instruction model used branching to direct learners to different frames based on their responses, allowing for a more individualized learning path. Recent trends in programmed learning. 1. Digital platforms. With the advent of technology, programmed learning has transitioned to digital platforms, making it more accessible and interactive. Online courses and educational software often incorporate principles of programmed learning. 2. Adaptive learning systems. Modern adaptive learning systems use artificial intelligence to tailor the learning experience to individual needs, dynamically adjusting the difficulty and sequence of frames based on the learner's performance. 3. Gamification. Incorporating game like elements into programmed learning enhances engagement and motivation. Points, badges, and leaderboards make learning more enjoyable and rewarding. Study. A study by Hamari et al. 2016 found that gamification in educational settings significantly increased student engagement and motivation. 4. Mobile learning. Programmed learning is now accessible on mobile devices, allowing learners to engage with educational material anytime, anywhere. This flexibility supports continuous and on the go learning. Conclusion. Programmed learning, rooted in the principles of operant conditioning, has transformed the way we approach education. Its emphasis on small steps, immediate feedback, and self pacing makes it a powerful tool for individualized learning. Notable experiments and studies have demonstrated the effectiveness of programmed learning in various educational settings. As technology continues to evolve, so does programmed learning, incorporating digital platforms, adaptive systems, and gamification to enhance the learning experience. Thank you. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/iscompanion.